If you're looking for a wireless ergonomic keyboard, you've probably seen the Microsoft Sculpt. I'm not a big fan of Windows, but Microsoft makes some of the best keyboards on the market. The Sculpt is available in two models: the Sculpt Ergonomic Desktop and the Sculpt Ergonomic Keyboard. Both versions include a wireless number pad and a foot to change the angle of the keyboard. One thing to note, these are not Bluetooth keyboards. Unfortunately, Microsoft chose to require proprietary wireless dongle instead of going with the Bluetooth standard. The dongle is paired with the keyboard at the factory, so you can't replace it if you lose it. The most obvious difference between the versions is that the Sculpt Ergonomic Desktop includes a mouse. However, there is another less obvious difference: where the wireless dongle is stored when not in use. In the Sculpt Ergonomic Desktop version, the dongle is stored in the battery compartment of the mouse. The battery door is magnetic, and another magnet holds the dongle in place when not in use. It's a nice design. In the standalone version of the Sculpt Ergonomic keyboard, the dongle is stored in the battery compartment of the keyboard itself. This battery compartment is also magnetic. As you can see, the dongle for the desktop version is substantially larger than the dongle for the standalone version. If we look at the battery compartment of the desktop version of the Sculpt Ergonomic keyboard, we see that its battery compartment does not have a place to store the dongle. Which version is right for you all depends on how you feel about the included mouse. Since the dongle for that version stows inside the mouse, it's not very convenient to use that version of the keyboard with a different mouse. So if you think you'll want to use a different mouse, get the standalone version. But if you like this mouse, then get the desktop version. You'll get both keyboard and mouse working on the same dongle as an advantage.